Okay, and as you can see, I picked up the low profile rest. So we've got different shapes so that each restaurant design in your tableware, if you've got something that's very sleek and low to the table, having something like this where you just lay the head of the utensil on it is what you would do for that. The peace of mind that you're giving to your guest or that you would have in your own home is that these are sterilized every single time, and you can't know for sure really that your tables are sterilized. If you look online, there are countless reports about those rags that we all see. Servers stuff them in their aprons and use them. You don't know when the last time was that they visited the bleach bin, and you don't know if it's been tested recently. And a lot of times when you have these scientists come in and swab the tables, you will find quite a few, items of bacteria. So we've got like E. coli, salmonella, and norovirus. And speaking of those, 3 different professors, very well documented online, through one of those articles, recommended to never touch the ketchup bottles because those are the #1 item that are not cleaned often enough. And the number 3 and 4 were the tabletop itself and the utensils. Those were his 2 watch out. And his only recommendation for that article was to set them on your napkin. And probably all of you have some type of device that you use to try to have that peace of mind and putting a napkin under your utensils. So when I told him about these and the fact that these could be sterilized each and every time, just as your utensils are, Dr. Gibson of the University of Arkansas did a full report that was very exciting for me to see, and I actually have some copies of the report right over here. It's a couple pages with pictures. We did the black marble and the stainless steel triangle to test the 100% effectiveness of course, not having any bacteria transfer to utensils if you have them uplifted off of the surface. That's the part where it just is simply better. Now it feels better and it looks better.